Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to your English online class. Today we will study English literature, chapter number 6, Bear Hug. So, students, our today's chapter, Bear Hug, is a story which shows a bond between a man and a baby bear. So, let's start our chapter. Chapter number 6, Bear Hug. Bear, you all know, is a kind of animal, and hug means to hold tightly or friendly or to embrace someone with love. At the beginning of this chapter, an activity is given as usual, in which you have to share your experiences about pets in your home. What kinds of pets you have in your home, how are they looked after, how do they behave with members of the family, how do they behave with visitors, are any of these pets dangerous, have they ever hurt anyone, why do you think animals attack people? So students, all these questions which you have to share your experience about relate to pets. Pets are the animals which we keep at our home, for example dogs, cats, etc. So these questions are generally framed to enhance your knowledge about pets. Now let's start our chapter. Now read about a bear who chooses to live with a family. Ram Singh was a farmer. He lived near a forest. One evening he was collecting firewood in the forest when he found a bear cub under a bush. So students, the first para of this chapter introduces us with Ram Singh. Ram Singh was a farmer. Who is a farmer, students? Farmer is a person who is engaged in agriculture, who owns farms and grow crops. So Ram Singh was a farmer and he used to live near a forest. One evening he was collecting firewood. Firewood means wood used as fuel for a fire, or we can say wood which we used for burning fire. So one evening this farmer Ram Singh was there in the forest and he was collecting wood to burn fire when he suddenly saw a baby bear, a bear cub. Bear cub means a young one of bear or baby bear. When he saw a baby bear who was under a bush. Bush means students a large plant which is generally smaller than a tree but has lots of branches, as you can see in this image. Now let's read further. "Oh ho," said Ram Singh, "where is your mother, little one? If she finds me here, she will knock my head off." So saying, he picked up his bundle of sticks and ran all the way out of the forest. So students, what was the reaction of Ram Singh on seeing that baby bear? Ram Singh said to that baby bear, "Oh, you are so little, where is your mother? And if your mother saw me here, she will knock my head off." Knock my head off means she will blow so hard on my head that it will fall down. Why? Because your mother will think that I am here to harm her little baby. And after saying this few lines to that baby bear, Ram Singh collected all the sticks, all the bundle of sticks which he have made, and he finally ran out of the forest. Now let's read the next para. When he stopped, he saw the bear cub just behind him. "Go back," Ram Singh shouted. "Why are you following me?" The cub lay on her back and paddled her paws in the air. But Ram Singh was afraid of the cub's mother, so he began running again. So students, these lines show that the baby bear was chasing or was following Ram Singh, as when Ram Singh saw while he was running, he stopped for a while and he saw that baby bear was just behind him. So he shouted to the baby bear and said to him that go back, and why are you following me, why are you coming with me? So what was the reaction of the baby bear? The baby bear lay on her back and pedaled her paws in the air. But Ram Singh was very afraid. Baby bear was giving a loving gesture, but Ram Singh was very afraid or very scared of her mother. So he wanted to get rid of that baby bear as soon as possible. So he started running again. Now let's read the next lines. When he reached his home, Ram Singh looked back. There she was, the little bear cub. Her tongue was hanging out and she was breathing heavily. She had followed the farmer all the way. So students, finally after reaching home, Ram Singh looked back and he again found that little baby bear was standing behind him near his home. And what was the condition of the baby bear? Baby bear's tongue was hanging out and she was breathing heavily, which showed that she was running continuously with the farmer. Now let's read the next lines. For the next 3 days, Ram Singh left the little bear in the forest every day. She always came back. Oh, let's keep her, said Santosh, the farmer's son. Over time, Vimla, Ram Singh's wife, became very fond of the bear. She called her Goody and put a red ribbon round her neck. So students, what happened after this baby bear reached Ram Singh's home along with him? Ram Singh used to take him to the forest for the next 3 days. Daily he used to take that baby bear into the forest and leave her there, but she didn't stay there. She used to come back to Ram Singh's home again and again. And when she came to Ram Singh's home for so many days, for 3 continuous days, Santosh, who was the farmer's son, he said to his father, let's keep her. We will keep her as a pet. And meanwhile, Vimla, who was Ram Singh's wife, also started liking her. Very fond. Fond means liking. She started liking that little baby bear. She named her as Goody and she also put a red ribbon round her neck, which shows that she started caring or showing affection towards that baby bear. Now let's read the next para. But Ram Singh was Goody's favorite. She followed him everywhere. When he hopped on his cycle to go to the market, Goody hopped on too. People were amazed to see a man and a bear riding by. So students, this para tells us that though Goody was, that baby bear Goody was loved and pampered by everyone in the family, by be it Ram Singh's wife or his son Santosh, but who was Goody's favorite? He was Ram Singh, as she used to follow Ram Singh everywhere and she was mostly attached with Ram Singh. And when Ram Singh used to hop means to get or to climb on his bicycle to go to the market, Goody also climbed to his bicycle. You can see in the image, she is sitting behind Ram Singh on his bicycle. And when they used to go to the market, people in the market used to see them with great surprise. Amazed means greatly surprised. They used to see them with great surprise. Why? Because generally bears are harmful for human beings and they are not friendly with human beings. So when they used to see a bear and a man going on a bicycle, they used to get surprised. Now let's read on the next page. Time passed and Goody grew. Ram Singh's neighbors were not happy. That is a wild animal, they said. We are not safe with it here. One day a police officer visited Ram Singh. You can't keep that bear, he said. She should be sent to a zoo. So students, till now we saw that Goody was a little bear, but time passes by, many years passes by, and this baby bear grown up now grows into a big bear. And when she became big, the neighbors of Ram Singh, they started getting scared of that bear. They said to Ram Singh that bear is a wild animal and we do not feel safe with it here in our residential area as it might harm us. And one day a police officer also came to Ram Singh, and he said to Ram Singh that you can't keep a bear in your house and this bear should be sent to a zoo. What is a zoo? Zoo is a place where wild animals are kept. So this police officer warned Ram Singh that you can't keep this bear in your house as it is not safe, so she should be sent to a zoo. Now let's read the next line. Give me a week, said Ram Singh. She will go back to the forest. So when the police man said to Ram Singh that send this bear to the zoo, Ram Singh said to that policeman, then sir, please give me a time of 1 week, and within this span of time this bear will return back to the forest. Well, days passed and Goody refused to leave her human family. One morning Santosh came home running. They are bringing a van, he said. They are going to take Goody away. So what happened next? Ram Singh told that police officer that she will return back to the forest within a week, but this didn't happen. This bear or Goody, she doesn't return back to the forest. She doesn't want to leave her human family. Human family means Ram Singh's family, where she had grown up. She was so much attached with the family that she doesn't want to return back to the forest. And one morning Santosh, Ram Singh's son, came home running, and he told that they are bringing a van and they are going to take Goody away. So probably he must have seen police officers coming with a van to take Goody away. Now let's read the next para. Ram Singh jumped up and called Goody. Man and bear ran through fields and reached the edge of the forest. Ram Singh put an arm around the bear and spoke to her in a whisper. So students, as soon as Ram Singh come to know that people or policemen are coming to take Goody away with a van, he immediately jumped and he also called Goody, and they both ran towards the forest. And while they reached at the edge of the forest, it means the starting point or the line between his Ram Singh's village and the forest, Ram Singh put an arm around the bear and spoke to her in a whisper. Whisper means speak very softly. Ram Singh says something very softly or secretly to his Goody. And let's read the last para. Goody was listening. Then Ram Singh gave Goody a little push. The bear got up and walked to the trees. She stopped for a moment to look back. Then she walked into the forest. Ram Singh sat there all day. When the sun set, he said to himself, she is not coming back. Let's go home. So, students, after listening whatever this Ram Singh said to Goody in her ear secretly, she listened that, and after that Ram Singh gave a little push to Goody, and she stood up and walked towards the forest. But while she was going into the forest, she stopped for a moment and she looked back at Ram Singh, and then she again returned to the forest. Ram Singh waited there the entire day, and while it was about to get dark to become night, the sun was setting, he said to himself, she is not coming back, let's go home. She means Goody is not going to come back now, so I must go back to my home. So students, here ends our chapter, which shows a great bond between a bear and a human being. They were so attached with each other, but due to various reasons they couldn't stay with each other. And this chapter also shows that animals also have feelings. They also get attached. They also start loving the people who love them. So it's a nice story, but with a sad ending. Anyways, we'll meet you on the next turn. Till then, take care, be safe, and stay kind towards animals.